In this video, we will explore two popular face change young to old applications for Android, FaceTrix and FaceLab. Let's dive in and see how these apps can transform your photos into realistic age progression images. FaceTrix. FaceTrix is a popular face change young to old application available on Android devices. This app allows users to transform their photos by adding aging effects to see how they would look when they get older. With a simple and user-friendly interface, users can easily upload a photo and apply various filters to make themselves appear older. FaceTrix offers a wide range of options to adjust the intensity of the aging effect, making it a versatile tool for creating realistic transformation photos. Additionally, the app provides fast processing speed, ensuring quick results without compromising on quality. FaceLab. FaceLab is another top-rated face change, young to old application for Android users. With FaceLab, users can easily transform their photos by adding aging effects to visualize their older selves. This app offers a range of features to customize the aging effect, allowing users to adjust settings such as wrinkles, gray hair, and facial structure to achieve a realistic age progression look. FaceLab also provides tools for users to fine-tune their photos, such as adjusting lighting and contrast to enhance the overall effect. The app's intuitive interface makes it easy to use, even for beginners. With FaceLab, users can have fun exploring different age transformations. Thank you for watching our comparison of FaceTrix and FaceLab for creating age progression photos on Android.